comes pre-cut with layers, bleached knots. They're having that Black Friday sale, so you can get a 13x6 wig for the price of a 13x4, which is Today's wig comes from MyFirstWig. You get the wig, and then they also throw in some clips and a comb in this, and some information about your wig. This is what the knots and everything look like for this. As you can see, those knots are small and the knots are bleached. This is the cap construction of the wig. You get the combs and the adjustable straps. Black Friday, you guys know, is right around the corner. MyFirstWig is offering you the price for a 13x4 for a 13x6 wig. If you are looking to get a great deal on all your 13x6 caps, this is the time to do it. Links in the description box for you guys. This is a 13x6 cap, so as you know, with the 13x6 you get lots of parting space, so you can get the deal actually getting this wig cheaper than what it normally would go for. So the one thing I love about this wig is it's already pre-cut, pre-styled into layers, so all I have to do really is just install it, straighten out the hair a bit. This wig does come with really small knots. As you can see, they can be undetectable. They do bleach the knots for you with this wig. The hairline is pre-plucked. It's not super pre-plucked, it's plucked just enough. You can wear naturally straight out the box, so you can create a nice hairline with this style. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the kit and I love when I get these because they are so helpful to your wig install. If you are not using the crocodile clips, I mean, how are you installing your wig? I'm not going to tweeze or anything with this wig. I'm definitely just going to go in as is. So the first thing I want to do is cut away the ear tab areas. With this being a 13x6, of course, you will need to cut away this area here. That way it can fall behind your ear comfortably. And it also just depends on your head and the size too. I'm going to go ahead and remove the extra lace. And normally I would use a razor for this. Really small shears like what I'm using, that's also good because I'm going to show you a product in a second that actually will help out. So if you wanted to wear this wig glueless, of course you could. You can just tighten up the straps in the back. By the way, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope it is fun, full of joy. Hopefully will upload Thursday and Friday, you guys, the deals that are coming this week. So I'm going to take my hot comb and push back this hairline, lay down this lace. Make sure that your wig is positioned where you need it to go. And then we are going to take the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray. And if you know, this product is amazing for melting your lace. I love this product. Watch all of my previous videos. You know I've been using this consistently. Right now they're having their Black Friday sale also. So if you want a chance to try it, this is a great time to get the bundle or to get the spray itself and save. I will put a link in the description box for you guys. This is the melting spray. But with this, all you have to do is apply it to the hairline, and instantly any lace, whether it's transparent with regular lace, it's going to melt it down very well. I'm not gluing down this wig today unless you're going on vacation. We're just going to melt the lace. Okay, so what you want to do is spray over top, just on the edge of that lace, and you can adjust the straps in the back to tighten if you would like, because this isn't going to give hold, it's just going to melt the lace. And then you want to take a dryer to it just until it's tacky. Next, you want to take your edge band and put it at the edge of that lace. Press the lace. Let's go ahead and straighten out the hair and get all the kinks out of it. I'm going to take my She for iron guard and spray it all over the hair straight out the box. It has no smell. It's really soft. I feel like I don't have to do a lot of work to make this wig look good. If you are looking for any products or tools that I'm using, it will be linked in the Amazon storefront that's below the video. I love that they added layers to this wig, so if you are looking for something that's pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-bleached knots, this wig has it all, okay? You don't have to really do anything to it except for what I'm doing. Like, everything is already done. Look at that, just gorgeous. I'll take some of my hair mousse, and I like to do this with the holding mousse to lay down the flyaways. This wig does have a bit of flyaways. You can use a wax stick for this too, but I find that the hair mousse really helps to slick everything down. Alright, so look at this hairline. It is melted, it is laid, it's flat, it looks so good. And so all you want to do is just take a hot comb and pull the hairs out of the product. Alright, so here is the finished results. This wig was so easy to style. Straight out the box, it was just like easy. Again, this is a 13x6 wig, and it comes pre-cut with layers. Also has bleached knots. It has everything that you need. The only thing I would change about this wig is the flyaways. They are a bit annoying. Rather than that, the hair is gorgeous straight out the box. It's clean. There's no smell. It smells amazing. Also, this is a natural color of the wig. As far as density, I will put everything in the description box, but again, they're having that Black Friday sale, so you can get a 13x6 wig for the price of a 13x4, which is way cheaper. So be sure to take advantage of those deals if you guys are looking for deals. And again, this is the hair, nice and feathered, gorgeous, just really pretty. Everything will be linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you back in my next video.